Hi, it's GamerHash here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Metamask wallet and connect it to your GamerHash account. Let's start with creating the wallet. Open Google Chrome, go to Extensions, and add Metamask to the browser. Follow the steps. First, click on Create a new wallet. Next, if you would like to help Metamask to improve, click on I agree. As the next step, set your new password and then click on Create a new wallet. Watch the video about the secret recovery phrase. Click on Secure my wallet. Now make sure nobody is around and click on Reveal secret recovery phrase. Now focus. This is the important part. You will see 12 words. Write them all down in the same order, store it in a safe place, and never ever show it to anyone. Click Next, then confirm your recovery phrase. Now that your wallet creation was successful, all that's left to do is connecting it to your GamerHash account. To do that, go to GamerHash.com and log into your account. Click on Settings, scroll down to Connect Wallet, and click on the Connect button. Now a Metamask window will pop up. When your wallet is selected, click Next. As a next step, click Connect. Next, Metamask will request a signature. Click on Sign. And there it is. You successfully connected your wallet to your GamerHash account. But that's not all. We have a special play and earn task for it, and you'll find all the necessary steps right in this video. Not to mention, we'll reward you with some GHXs. Now all that's left to do is join our amazing community of over 700,000 GamerHashians and feel how earning has never been easier. See you next time.